Study skills required for this course. Take short notes. If you take short notes, it will help you to revise properly and to memorize your knowledge, whatever you have learned from this course. Another one is create cue cards. Short cue cards will help you to write down the topics or key points or sometimes questions so that you can recall again and again. Another effective study skills is mind maps. Whenever you prepare a mind map, it will help you to remember easily and to organize your learnings as a pro. So if you want to organize yourself and want to know something with a very effective and efficient way, then mind maps is the ultimate way. So whatever you like, just follow your own study skills. These are the 3 study skills I recommend for my students.